возможно, что спецоперация России на Украине закончилась, в смысле, что началась самая настоящая война, причем война Третья мировая, мы вынуждены заниматься демилитаризацией не просто Украины, а всего Североатлантического альянса. Почему я об этом говорю? Удары по Донецку были нанесены не только ракетами РСЗО «Смерч» с кассетными боеприпасами. Удары были нанесены из тех самых американских гаубиц. Американские гаубицы М3.
So Russia's already said World War III started already. Yeah. Now this out of the White House. I'm wondering if they saw that newscast of Russia declaring we're already at war. Because the White House here now is talking about war, open hot war with Russia, giving excuses as to why, and China. I've been saying the same fucking thing for 8 years. This is how it is, folks. You want to get all patriotic? Your government sold you out, man, and you're watching it happen. Internet laggy? Might be experiencing some ionospheric interference. Elevated number of quakes. Then we have all the new fires from today, just today. And remember I showed you last month, said we was going to begin having compression because the magnet that was the polar vortex, i.e. Ra, has overtaken the planet, and then it got all stagnant. Didn't see anything moving around. Now it's moving clockwise. The whole thing's moving clockwise. That's what it looked like a few weeks ago. Now the underlayer looks that way. You have this, like that. I'm going to take it to the surface. Now, they're tripping on this hurricane over here that you can hardly see. 65 mile an hour, or a kilometer. My bad. Get me on the semantics, please. But up here we have, man, can you even see this thing? Look at these fucking things nobody's talking about. You got a hurricane in the Hudson Bay. I don't even know what to say. It's more wind down here to the surface. Yeah, looks like the compression is showing up in the human frequency. If you think you're going to ascend because of this, you've lost your freaking mind. You have no idea what this human resonance even is. If you're feeling dizzy and sick, you might want to find your field line and calm it down. You have a magnet chest, and they program you to walk it around with it all tightened up. You have to find a way to relax because your shooting is spiking. It's been spiking. It's got people acting crazy all over the freaking world. I've been warning about this for a long time. For so many people would be running around confused about it. research. If I was you, I'd go to my video page and start looking up some shooting to see what comes up.